What if I told you that you're just one app away from becoming an investor? Many people struggle because investing seems overwhelming, risky, and complicated. But in this video, I will show you how one app makes investing so simple that even a total beginner can start today without the fear of losing everything. Stick around because missing this could mean staying broke while others build wealth effortlessly. If you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Anne. I'm a chartered accountant with years of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, and I'm very passionate about helping Nigerians, both home and abroad, to take better control of their finances by showing them ways they can make more money, save better, and invest profitably. I do this by posting educational videos like this one every week in a way that they can understand and relate to. So hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the game. Every month, I also open up a few slots for you to work with me on a personal one-on-one basis so that I can give time to helping you achieve your goals. I'm going to put the link for you to book in the description of this video. I'm looking forward to working with you. First things first, what exactly is the Optimus app? It is a beginner-friendly investment platform that has been designed to help you put your money to work with minimal effort. Optimus is an investment app owned by Afrinvest that helps you to save and invest both in Naira and in dollars. The money you save and invest on Optimus is invested through Afrinvest Asset Management Limited. This company is a leading fund portfolio manager in Nigeria. Afrinvest Asset Management Limited has over 20 years of experience and is licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission as a portfolio manager. Their goal is to ensure the safety of your funds and the sustainable growth of your capital so that you can not just achieve your goals but exceed it. Here are a few reasons why I love and recommend Optimus for beginners. 1. Simple and user-friendly interface. There are no confusing charts or intimidating numbers. Optimus breaks down everything in easy to understand steps. 2. Automated savings and investments. You can give Optimus an instruction to take money from your account every day or every week or every month to take a particular amount of money from your account and save and invest for you. So this is perfect for people who need things like ajo or contribution to stay disciplined with their savings. So with this, you no longer have to keep your money where you're not so sure of, or where they can come and give you story tomorrow, or where you will not get any tangible return from. You can simply give Optimus this instruction, and every month, maybe when they pay your salary or when your income comes, it will automatically take that money and invest it for you. Optimus can also help you to automate your investments in the stock market based on your risk level and goals. For example, if there is a particular share you want to buy, you can give Optimus an instruction to buy this share once it gets to this particular price, or to sell the share when it gets to a particular price. 3. Low minimum investment. You can get started on Optimus with as low as 2,000 Naira. So this makes it super accessible to beginners. So Nkechi and Emeka, like our Poco doctor will call you.
Emeka and Nkechi, side eye.
What is your excuse? 5. Safe and secure. Optimus follows strict regulatory guidelines, so they only bring credible investments to you. So you can be rest assured that your money is in safe hands. If you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and tap on that like button. It encourages me to post more videos, and it also helps more people to see this video. Now, let us go over to the Optimus platform so that you can see things for yourself.
Alright, so this is what the Optimus app looks like when you finally log into your own account. Alright, so I'm going to be dropping the link in the description for you to use and register and set up your account. I have actually already done a video on Optimus teaching you how you can set up, how you can fund your wallet, and how you can do everything necessary to get this app and account ready for use. I also shared more information about the company behind this app and why you should feel comfortable using them. So I'm also going to be putting the link to this video in the description so that you can always watch it and catch up. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be focusing on the different investments that you can take advantage of. Some of them I did not mention in that other video. All right, so as you can see from your screen right now, we have about 3 sections. The first one that says total portfolio, I actually close it so that you won't see the figure here. Okay, then we have the second one that says save and earn, and then we have the third one, which is invest your money. Okay, so in this first one that says total portfolio, it is an addition of everything you have in your Optimus app. Okay, so if you kept some money in the Optiflex or in the Optilock or in the US shares or in the mutual funds, everything is going to show here. I can actually scroll here and you see the amount you have in dollars in your dollar portfolio and then in your naira portfolio. So this is like a total. So this naira portfolio is the total of everything you have in naira. This dollar portfolio is the total of everything you have in dollars, and then this total portfolio is the total of everything, both your naira and your dollar. So that makes it easy to just see where you are at a glance. All right, so now the next section, which is the save and earn. Okay, so you can see we have Optiflex and Optilock. Okay, so now coming down to the second section where we have the save and earn. Okay, so we have Optiflex and Optilock. These are just the same thing, we just slight differences. Okay, so now when you go for Optiflex, when I click on Optiflex, you see that it gives me two options. I can either go for the Optiflex naira or the Optiflex dollar. Now if I go for the Optiflex naira, I am going to be investing my money or saving my money and getting a return of 13%. Okay, 13% on my naira. And if I decide to choose the Optiflex dollar, I'll be getting a return of 4% on my dollars. Okay, so I can choose any of them. Okay, if I choose the naira one, that means I have to just fund my wallet. Of course, if you watch that other video, you will learn how you can also fund your wallet, but I will mention it briefly here. So all you have to do is fund your wallet with the amount in naira that you want to put in this Optiflex, and you just click on the Optiflex and fund it into your Optiflex account, and you start earning 13% on it. And the good thing about this Optiflex account is that you can withdraw up to 5 times in a month without any charges. Okay, you can withdraw 5 times without any charges. Same thing with the Optiflex dollar, but this one is in dollars. So if you want to fund this one, you will put in your naira into your wallet, and then you come over here and convert it to dollars at the current market rate. Okay, that is all. You don't have to pay in dollars here. You can pay in your naira and they'll convert it for you, and you start earning 4% in that naira. Okay, so that is it for the Optiflex. Don't worry, in case if you still have any questions, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. Okay, now let me go to the Optilock. Okay, now when I go to the Optilock, like I said, these things, the Optiflex and the Optilock just have a slight difference. The Optilock is going to make you lock your savings or your investments. Okay, you will lock it for a specified period of time, which you will choose by yourself. Okay, you can lock for 3 months, for 4 months, for 5 months, for 1 year, for 2 years, for 5 years, any period you want to lock. Of course, the advantage that this has is that the more time you put into the lock, the higher your interest rate. Okay, you can see here that you can get as much as 20% on your investments. Okay, so the longer you keep this money locked in this account, the more money you can earn. Of course, you will not be able to withdraw within that time. Like if you lock your money for 6 months, then you're not expected to come before 6 months to withdraw your money. So that is it. So this is a way for you to stay disciplined. Any money you know that you don't need for the next couple of months or year, you can lock it here. Now, another thing that you can use this for is to, like, discipline yourself. Maybe your rent, you already have it now, but you don't want to touch it until it is due in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year. You can come and lock it here. On that date, it will drop for you and you can use it and do that thing. Now, let me tell you something about this account. Even though it is a lock account, you can still break it before the period. The only thing is that you will lose part of your interest. Okay, up to 40%, I think. So it is not wise to do this. Okay, so before you lock money here, please make sure that this is money that you will not need for that period of time. But peradventure, if an emergency happens and you need the money, then you can lock it, you can liquidate it and lose part of your interest. But this is why it's necessary for you to have an emergency fund account. Okay, so that you won't be forced to liquidate an investment like this. And this is where the Optiflex, the other one we looked at, can come into place. Okay, you can use that one for your emergency fund, money that you can easily withdraw whenever you need it. And then you can leave this Optilock for money that you know that you will not touch until you need it. All right. So we also have the Optilock dollar, which is still similar to the Optilock naira, but just that this is now in dollar. So you can still lock it for a period of time, and you will get higher interest, just the same way the Optilock naira works. And here you can earn up to 7% on your dollar investments. Okay, so all you have to do is click on either of them that you want to go for. You read up, it will show you everything you need to know. Like if I click on this Optilock dollar, you can see it gives you a description of what it is, and then you can click on create a plan and create a plan for yourself. So this app, I love it just because of how beginner friendly it is. It's just very easy to understand. I love it when apps are easy. Some apps are just complicated, but this is just look at how the interface is so easy. Okay, now let us go for the US stocks. Okay, like I said, once you click on it, it will tell you everything you need to know. An advantage that this app gives you is that you can buy US stocks from the comfort of your home, and you can start with as little as $1. I actually have another video where I showed you how you can buy with just $1 or with just $2. I have that video, so just check on my channel, you will see it. In the video, I actually bought a stock to show you how it's done. So this app can actually enable you to do the same thing. Okay, you can buy fractional shares, so you don't have to wait until you have up to $100 or $200 to buy Tesla or to buy Amazon. You can start buying that with the little amount you have. All right, so that is it for the US stocks. And of course, you know that I advise you as a beginner, you can start with ETFs. I actually have a video on ETFs, and those ETFs I mentioned in that video, you can buy it right from this app. So you can start with ETFs so that you will be on the safer side. Okay, in case if you're someone that is very scared of losing your money, you can start with some of the popular ETFs I mentioned in that video. All right, another way to use this app to grow your money and make money for yourself is with the mutual funds. Okay, remember I also have a video where I mentioned about mutual funds, and I specifically talked about the money market funds. So if we come over here at the mutual funds, you still see that we have the Naira mutual fund and we have the dollar mutual fund. So this app just makes it easy for you. Anyone you want to do, is it in Naira, is it in dollar, they're here for you. So when I click on this Naira mutual fund, you see that they have, you can just read up for yourself. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? But in that video, I actually described what a mutual fund is. You basically pulling, this company will collect money from different investors and then choose the different assets that they're going to invest in, and when they get returns from these assets, they will share it to those that invested in it. Okay, so I can click on the explore mutual funds button, and it will give me the different mutual funds that this Optimus app currently has for you in Naira. So this particular one is what I'm going to talk about, which is the Plutus fund. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this fund is actually very similar to the money market fund I mentioned earlier. So you can read more on this. When I click on about this fund, you see that this fund offers the safety of capital and a stream of quarterly returns. In that video, I told you that one of the advantages of the money market fund is that your capital is safe. Nothing can happen to your capital, okay? And then the returns are also paid quarterly, and it's also a low risk and highly liquid investment. That is the money market fund. And you can see that this Plutus fund is also a low risk, short term, highly liquid security. Highly liquid in the sense that you can easily get your money when you need your money, and they normally invest in treasury bills and commercial papers. Okay, so the Plutus fund aims to achieve both stable income generation and capital preservation by investing 100% of the assets in high quality short term securities such as treasury bills, commercial papers, and fixed deposits that are rated BBB and above. Okay, so this is actually very similar to the money market funds, and the advantage this one has over the other one I mentioned with Stanbic IBTC is that you can start this one with as little as 1,000 naira. Okay, 1,000 naira you can start. The other one, the minimum is actually 5,000 naira, but with this one, 1,000 you can start. You still get your returns quarterly. And with just like the other one, this one you actually have to leave the money for at least the first 30 days. You must leave it for the first 30 days. But after that 30 days, you can withdraw anytime. All right. So that is it for the Pluto. And currently they are giving their year-to-date returns is 18.85%, which is actually a very good rate now. So that is it for the mutual funds. So we can also check the dollar mutual fund. So here it also tells you that basically the same thing. You pull your money, you give it to this company, and they invest for you in dollars. Okay, they look for those dollar investments that they're sure will give you a good return, and they invest it for you. Okay, so presently this is what they have. I'm actually going to do another video on these dollar mutual funds. I'm thinking that by the time I'll be posting this video, I should have done that one and posted it. So please subscribe to this channel, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that I will always give you up-to-date information, because I have already scripted that dollar fund video so that you can learn how you can make the most return on your dollars. Okay, the highest return on your dollars possible. So that's it for the dollar mutual funds. Now we have Nigeria stocks here, but actually this company has a sister app called the Afrinvest 2.0, and it is on that app that you can buy your Nigerian shares. All right, so I already have the app on my phone, so maybe I'll still do a video on that app, but this video is basically for this Optimus app. All right, so you can see that you can save and earn with the Optiflex Naira and dollar. You can save and earn with the Optilock Naira and dollar. You can buy your US shares here. You can actually go for mutual funds, both Naira and dollar, right on this app. So you can see this is like a basket of, a beginner friendly basket to get started with. And all you have to do when you want to fund your account is to come over here and click the wallet button. Of course, like I said in that other video I did, please go back and watch that video, because it will tell you exactly what you need to do, how you can set up the documents required for you to use and register your account so that your account will be verified, because you won't be able to do anything on this app until it is verified. I'm able to click all these things now because I verified my account, but when you go on in that video, you're going to learn how you can verify your own account so that it can be free for you to use. So you can decide to fund your account with your debit card, or you can do a bank transfer. Anyone is fine. Don't be scared when this app asks you for your BVN. It is normal. There is no financial institution in Nigeria now that is not required to get your BVN. It is mandated by law. This company is licensed and regulated by the SEC, so you're okay, you're safe. All right, now let's get back to the rest of the video.
Starting your journey with Optimus is easy. The first thing you need to do is to click the link in the description. When you click the link, it will take you over to the website where you can register for your account. After registering, you can then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, where you can download the app and sign in with your details. If you already have the app in your phone, then you can register on it. Just make sure you put this code showing on the screen right now in the referral box. Comment "Investing made easy" if you're signing up for Optimus. Now let's talk about some key strategies to maximize your investment on Optimus. 1. Risk management. Understand your risk tolerance and set realistic goals. If you're someone that can go for high risks, then you can go for stocks. But if you're more on the low risk side, then you can stick to Optiflex or Optilock. 2. Have a long-term growth mindset. Investing on Optimus is not a get-quick-rich scheme. It is about steady growth, so patience is key. 3. Reinvest your returns. Instead of cashing out, why not reinvest your returns so that your money can compound better? This all looks good, right? If you're ready to get started, make sure to use the link in the description. And if you love a one-on-one coaching session with me, I have just a few slots open. Take advantage now by clicking the link in the description to book your slot now. Optimus app makes investing simple, stress-free, and accessible for beginners. So if you've been putting off investing because it seems so complicated, now is the time to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with someone that could benefit from it. Until I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.